Welcome to another video by Dale Wheatley, founder at theoptionshunter.com. Subscribe to our channel at the end of this video, and let's start your journey to financial freedom.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is 5:27 p.m. Friday, April 11th. Well, after the downside activity of yesterday, and then the subsequent upside activity of yesterday, that's pretty clear. Downside again. Let's see. Where do you see anything here other than right here? You have a microscopic upside divergence on the volatility, and I can't see us, have anything really clear on the downside. So we have to look at higher time frames, see what they say. And they don't say much of anything either. The 2-hour chart, yeah, it's kind of iffy. It doesn't have a double top on it, so it is somewhat weak, but not weak enough to create a good options trade. So the story today was the 10-minute chart had a little bit of a downside divergence, which led to a market melt up, I guess, upsurge in the market. It was starting about 20 after 11, and that lasted till, I don't know, 12:30, 1:30. So see if that's true. About here, but you don't really see a clear cut divergence or anything like that. You could, just, I don't know. It's just, it wouldn't be anything that would interest me. So I was looking throughout the day, didn't see anything. Goodness, excuse me. Good grief, the options are way too expensive. They're $1 for the 533 calls, and they went up to about $5. Not even 400%. That's crazy. So that's 37 maybe. You still wait. That's what I mean about options, that if you don't have a clear-cut divergence in the volatility index and the indexes themselves, the options prices tend to be overpriced. So such is the case here, like a 537 call. They didn't come anywhere near 537, but they were 60 cents at 11:20 when the so-called divergence appeared. 60 cents, and then they made it to $2.80 about. So maybe again 4 times your money. So there's no good returns in anything that I saw today. So you're better off to buy a long index. At least you make 5 or 6% of your money, but same thing basically is true. Where's a good entry point? So I don't know. It doesn't have any options that expire, or it does have options that expire, but they index itself doesn't expire anytime at all. So you can keep it indefinitely if you want to. So that's maybe the advantage of it's basically in an uptrend, basically. Far from anything I'd want to see. So this is where we had the divergence here a couple of days ago. So the price was 93 or so in the double bottom, and it went up to 124. That's a pretty nice move. So it's close, way off of that number. So I don't know. Still looks like it's got a little bit of lift to it, so it could bring it back on up here a little bit more, maybe keep on going. So I don't know. Who am I to decide? Because it doesn't have a pattern, so I don't decide anything unless there's a pattern. So I could care less what it's going to do. So anyway, that's pretty much the same thing had on all the indexes. Very little returns. You'd think there'd be a better return for a day like today. So I'll talk to you later. Have a good weekend.